Hi! In front of me is TCL 405, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, you need to download your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into settings right away. In settings, you need to scroll down to access apps section. Then tap on default apps and select one of those options, in my case, browser app. Lastly, tap on your new downloaded one in order to apply it. And tap on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!